Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Mr. Larios with Business Law. And today, guys, I'm just going to go ahead and give you a quick rundown of what we're going to be working on this week. We're still on the home buying basics, but now that you guys understand the language, we are taking it a step further by getting you guys the home buying basics process. Okay, so some of the activities that we're going to be doing, some of your assignments are going to revolve around getting prepared to buy a home and house hunting. Now, this is going to be a 2 week lesson. I'm still kind of thinking about it, whether I'm going to take it a second week or not, but it does look like we may go 2 weeks with this one. This is a great opportunity for you to learn about the home buying process and pretty much taking the steps in becoming a homeowner, right? Home ownership is a major life decision, and buying a house can be an overwhelming process to those who are unfamiliar with it. So that's why we are doing this presentation so that it could give you the step-by-step guide to home ownership. The benefits and drawbacks of home ownership are compared to those of renting, and factors to consider when making the decision to purchase a home are discussed in this lesson. In addition, the processes involved in the purchase are examined, including hiring a lender, an agent, getting pre-approved, house hunting, and making an offer, and getting to the final process of closing on your sale. Right. So this lesson's objectives, are definitely designed to examine the pros and cons of home ownership versus renting, discuss the steps involved in preparing to buy a home, including hiring a reliable professionals and getting pre-approved, to investigate factors to consider when looking for a home and methods of house hunting, analyzing the process of making an offer to purchase a property, describe the process of closing on a home purchase. So these are some of the things that we're going to be focused on. So to go ahead and get started, did want to go ahead and click on the home basics process, home buying basics. And of course, we're always going to start with the student notes folder. You definitely have your do now that's going to be opened up in the morning. And then, of course, your daily assignments. Okay. And so for now, your student notes folder definitely has four handouts. You're going to have your student notes, student handout on mortgages. Great Great read for you all so that you could get a little bit more familiar with the mortgages and what they are and what they represent in the home buying process, in addition to some formulas. So kind of take the time to just kind of read about it, and take a look at the information that is being offered in this handout. So that way you can be familiar with what a mortgage is, okay? But think about it like this. How many of you guys have heard of a car note, right? You all guys know what a car note is, right? That's the payment on your car. Well, a mortgage is going to be the payment on your home. Then, of course, we have the vocabulary handout, we have a worksheet, and then we have your video transcript. Okay, so this is pretty much like a PowerPoint presentation. This lesson doesn't not have a PowerPoint presentation, it has videos. But most of us probably don't like to watch videos, so I just gave you the video transcript so you guys could go ahead and read and just kind of take a look at everything. So it is pretty lengthy, but it does cover all the information that you need to complete the assignments in this lesson, okay? And then, of course, you have your worksheet here. Your worksheet's pretty much your fill in the blanks, and you will see some of these in the interactive assignments that I have in place for you, okay? So, but this is just for you guys to take a look at as a point of reference. So, of course, we're going to go ahead and move on. So, we have your do nows, of course. You got your do nows. You got Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. You got just a quick question for you to answer. Please make sure that you submit your answer in the comment section. And then, of course, Wednesday, Thursday, we always have our skills to practice for typing. Great resource for you guys. Trust me, I know you guys get tired of it, but I noticed that some of you guys type on your phones, but you got to know how to type on a typewriter, on a keyboard. So make sure that you know how to get into your proper key finger placements so you can type extremely fast without having to look at the keyboard. Now, we are going into our daily assignments. So, of course, our daily assignments are set up in this way. You're going to go ahead and do your Home Basics Vocabulary Worksheet. And so here you guys are going to be introduced with a variety of assignments, okay? So you're going to have a lot of drop-down questions. It looks like you got 22 of them, okay? So just kind of take a look at them, and I guarantee you take a look at that video transcript, and you will be able to get what you need to do for that particular question, okay? So 22 questions, 100 points, and you guys should be set to go in getting a proper introduction to this lesson, okay? Now, your next assignment is getting prepared. Now, getting prepared is an assignment that you will imagine that you are actually preparing to enter the real estate market and look for a home. All right, you will be assigned a specific need. So you are going to be given a price point. You are going to be given a specific set of requirements to look at for your homes, and you guys will be looking at HAR so that you can go ahead and find your own home. Okay, so stay tuned for this. There'll be another video on this that will be specific to it. If you guys are not present in class, I will show you in class. But it is a pretty lengthy one, but very manageable for you guys to do. So if you don't do this on this particular document, you can always do it on a Google Doc and submit it in a Google Doc. But just kind of please make sure that you follow these directions in the assignment, okay? All right, and then your third assignment for this week is going to be the house hunting assignment, where you will be assigned a set of housing needs. Okay, this is where I'm at. So you will be giving, price for your home, square footage, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and any specific features for it. Okay, so it'll be very random. And I think that we will go ahead and get this project started on Wednesday, and I'll try to prepare for this one on Wednesday for you guys, okay? But then again, you see, you have all the items here that you need to know about it, okay? So you will be comparing 4 properties. So just kind of go ahead and look at that and start looking at them here during the video, because they won't open up until that specific time. But like I said, this is just the standard 3 assignments for a week. You guys are great at doing the work. If you have not finished any of your assignments from the previous week, please make sure that you get them done. And then also wanted to go ahead and, of course, dive on into the corny dad joke of the day. All right, I know. Don't roll your eyes. Just kind of go with it. Be ready to laugh, okay? Or at least a quick, gentle, subtle smirk. So, here we go. Who can tell me what the 2 strongest days of the week are? What are the strongest days of the week? Going once, going twice. The 2 strongest days of the week are Saturday and Sunday. Why are they the strongest days of the week? Because the rest of them are weekdays. Huh? Huh? All right, guys. I'll see y'all later, man. Have a good week. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys. Take care, and till the next time. Bye-bye.